We're back out in Santa Clarita, and I got here a little bit late, 10 minutes after they opened, and I'm coming right here to the size 8s because I've been looking for some racing shoes. I don't see any of the Vaporflies or the Alpha Flies that I've been looking for. They have some really good running shoes, really good prices. We'll get to it in a sec. I'm in the size 9.5 section, just perusing real quick to see if they got anything for my kiddo. All right, so I checked the 9.5, checked 9, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. I was like, dang, dude, these resellers, they doing it big, but nah, man, these are all size 14s, man. This looks like it's all for them, dude. Look, Jordan Max R's, $29.99 right here. Got these bad boys. These are all size 14s. What are these going for? Under 100, right? Oh, 149? I thought these would be under 100, dang it. Eye shots for 25 right here. That's hella cheap. Zoom Freaks. What are these Zoom Freaks going for? The gray Zoom Freaks, $30. $30. They got, oh dang, Dunks for 30 bucks right here for you guys. Holy cow, $30 for Dunks. I told them I'm very happy for them because I already know how it is for Big Feet Gang. Can't even go to the mall to buy sneakers. And then to be able to find stuff for way under retail like that, congrats you guys, man, that's awesome. They're all trying stuff on, and man, I'm so happy for them. I'm so happy for them because, like I told them, I was like, y'all can't even go to the mall to buy sneakers, man. And like, that's what's up. And then to be able to find a bunch of stuff under retail. All right, 8, and then we're gonna move on up. I was about to check those out, and then I noticed this. What the hell is going on here? Oh no, we gotta look at this real quick. And these are all grade school, so if you have any kids or women, but look at this. Look at this. I know not too many women are looking at phone posits, but still, look at this. $80 for phone posits, pretty much size 5.5. They have a 7 right there. $79.99 for phone posits. What the hell? Tatum's right here. 50 freaking bucks. You get full box. Everything. They got multiple. Oh no, this is a Luca. Luca 2 right here. $49.99. They do have a couple. Oh, they got a few sizes. And they got Vapor Max Plus women's going for 100. That's not the greatest deal now that I think about it. And then look at this, Jordan 3s. Jordan 3s going for $60. Of course, these are grade school, but $60 freaking dollars. They're all 3.5 wide. Bigger sizes are probably gone. Like I said, I got here 10 minutes late. They had bigger sizes, probably gone, but 3.5s if you have kids, $60. $60 freaking dollars. And just a friendly reminder, all sales are final here, so don't try to get your money back. It's not gonna happen. I think they do size swaps though. You can do exchanges for different sizes and stuff like that. Because yeah, life happens, man. Life happens. But yeah, that is crazy. That is crazy. And I just noticed the date. They priced these down. They priced these down a while ago. They priced them down a while ago. So that's probably why there's only a few sizes. Oh no, it's 613. I was like, I've been here a few times. But yeah, they priced these down yesterday or 2 days ago. 2 days ago, and that's why they only have one size left. You know they got picked up quick. Full box, everything. And that's why people literally come here every freaking day because stuff like that happens. All right, let's get back to the 8s finally. Holy cow. Only been here for like 15 minutes. So much going on already. Pretty crazy. But yeah, $100 for these bad boys right here. Invincible 3s. Y'all been following the channel. Y'all know how much I love these. Damn, they just had an all black one right here, and that was only $80 instead of the 100. Someone already grabbed it. Got the Infinity Run 4s right here. These are going for 80. That's crazy. This is my kid's running shoe right now. Got the all white one. They're mostly white. Got the Penny 2s right here, $100. These going for way too much. We've seen these as cheap as like 60, 70 bucks at the regular outlets. You got some other pennies right here, going for 80. Air Max 90 Gore-Tex right here, going for $80. Jordan 2 Chicagos right here, $100 for Jordan 2 Chicagos, one of the OG colorways. Man, that's a dope find right there. Air Max 1s right here, going for 80. GT Jumps, $80. Of course, we got Jordan 1 Green Glows right here. Yeah, and that's a $150. $150 for these. I feel like we'll see these a lot cheaper soon enough. Noctis right here, $8.5, $100. Got this Jordan One low golf right here, 120 for these. I don't think I've ever seen this. Kind of interesting. Okay. This is a golf gum bottom right there, 120. Size 9. Seeing a bunch of these Noctas right here. These are interesting. And then I just saw these at the Nike outlet. What did I see this on Watts or something? I think so. And yeah, man, let's see what these are going for. 130 here, 130. I think it was 160, 30% off, so probably pretty similar price. Dude got some Dunks right next to that, go for 90. These right here are pretty nice. These trainers right here does have that gold Velcro, making it difficult for me. But yeah, dude got the gold right there. I'm not into all that gold and all that glitzy stuff, but this ain't bad. This ain't bad. This ain't bad. It does have little Velcro in the back, little patches that you can Velcro on. Usually it comes with extra ones. Not getting all that extra stuff here though. What's this go for? What's it go for? $40. $40. That is definitely a steal. Got Comfort 2s, 120. Multiple LeBrons right here. LeBron 2s. Those are still 100. Yeah, you need to discount those. These are 100 as well. And then dude got the Billie Eilish right here. The Billie Eilish Air Force Ones, cork insole as well, 110 for those. I got all excited again, and then I was like, oh wait, I forgot. These are all, because these are the heavy duty ones. These are all small and extra small. But like, these are pretty heavy, and they're really good quality. 25 bucks. If I found a medium, I definitely would have grabbed the one for my kiddo. Ding Nabbit. I think I already have plenty of black ones. What's up with these shorts right here? These are super thick, really high quality. It's a medium, 25 bucks. Oh, that's mine. Grab this for my kiddo. 25 bucks, normally 50, really high quality, and it has zippers. My kiddo loves having zippers because he keeps losing stuff. Stuff comes out of his pocket. So we grabbing these. Damn, the material on this is just ridiculous. Super nice. Yeah, man, I'm so glad I grabbed these. Holy crap. I just edited one of my videos this morning, right before I came here, and I've been talking about it. Buy off season if you can, especially if it's for yourself, not for your kids and stuff. Because look at this, 110 down to $60. This is a heavy duty fleece jacket right here. These are really nice. Really nice. This is that new material, the ThermaFit material that they've been putting on stuff. $60, really thin, but really high quality stuff. Got Nike Track Club right here, hoodie, $30. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about right here. This denim, what is it? Like a denim jacket right here. Jordan denim jacket going for 50. What the hell is this? Going right back to the 90s. A Jordan Flight denim jacket. What are you doing, Jordan? What the hell? Normally one something down to $60. 60 bucks. Found another tag right here. These are normally 180, and it is 66% off. Lakers windbreaker right here, $50 for these bad boys. That is a large. Found a couple of poofy jackets. I was gonna show you guys the price, but none of them have price tags. What the hell? ACG jacket right here. We know that's not cheap. 200 down to 60. That is a small though. What the hell is that? Nike SB hoodie, $40. These are smalls. Jordan, kind of like a bomber jacket, 80 bucks down from 250. That is a small though. Sizing definitely can be tough when you come here. They got Tech Fleece, $30. Just weird colors. All right, let's go back to the sneakers. Size 10s. All right, size 10, and look at these Jordan 1 golf right here. I don't even think I've ever seen these. These look better than the women's one, the women's aluminum foil one. But yeah, these ain't bad. These are golf. 100 bucks for these bad boys right here. If you want to shine, pretty much. Got some Tatums down here. Haven't seen too many of these bad boys right here. $60. That's a solid price. Zion 3s right here, $70. Moving up to the 10s. Got some Comforts right here, 120. Air Max 97s going for 80. Jordan 1 mids, pretty dope colorway, 100 bucks for those. 37, we've seen those a ton of times here, going for 80. And if you're into running, got plenty of running shoes. The Infinity Run 4s going for 80. Metcon 4s. The free Metcon 4s going for 50. Got Phantom React Finest. I haven't seen these in forever. Going for 70. La Familia right here. Air Max 1s, 130. Moving up to 11s. Dunk lows right here. Canvas and leather, 100 bucks. Did look for the SBs and stuff like that for my kiddo. Dunk SBs. See if they had any. None here. I'm gonna have to get some for retail for my kiddo. But do got these bad boys right here. MMW 2 slides, or MMW 5 slides, my bad. 150 for these Croc knockoffs. Man, got some Jordan 1 lows going for $90, way too much. I feel like we've been seeing these cheaper at the retail shops. Billie Eilish size 12 right here, 110. Nija's right here in a pretty dope colorway, to be really honest, 50 bucks. Lakers colorway of the Dunks. I remember these on sale at Shoe Palace, 100 bucks. Never seen this colorway of the Mac Attacks, Nike Attacks. And these bad boys, $60. $60. This colorway's awful. Then we got size 13 and up. Definitely not a size 13, but look at this. Look at this. This is why you look for Nike by Used if you can find one. Look at this. Nike by Ferris. Freaking 50 bucks, dude. 50 bucks. 50 freaking dollars for Air Max 97s, and nobody else will have this colorway. And these normally go for like $2 or something. It says Megan Thee Stallion. What the hell? All right, this one's kind of cheesy. But yeah, this is a size 10 and a half. 50 bucks, dude. 50 bucks, man. They'll have days where they release a bunch of Nike by Used, and if you can get your hands on them, man, steals. 100 bucks for these right here. These is a Pegasus Trail 4 Gore-Tex. This is what I'm talking about. Why are these all in the wrong place? But size 5 right here. Size 5. These are for kids. 60 bucks. 60 bucks, man. Got these. We saw these earlier. Size 13s, 130. And do got some of these off-whites right here. Air Force One off-whites, 160 bucks. They got Jordan 14s right here. Size 14, 160. And these still going for 150. Dang, dude. Damn, I lost track of time. What the hell? I was talking to one of the homies. We was talking strategy about where to find stuff and stuff like that. Been talking about Nike SBs and stuff. All right, let's take a look at some more clothing. They do have a great selection of Tech Fleece right here. $80 for the Tech Fleece jackets. Got decent sizes. Got large right here. Got small for this one. This black one is nice. Got medium as well. Ooh, this one, oh, this is a hoodie. The hoodies are 50. Did I say 50? I meant 60. So that's not bad. The jackets are $70. And do they have different sizes, or are these all smalls? I think the brown ones, these are all smalls. No, they got large right here. They got sizes. They got a mishmash of some of the different colorways right here. They got different sizes and stuff on those as well. And they got these. I kind of do want one of these. I think all the good sizes are taken, but I could have got one before. But yeah, they got these $40. I just get them dirty with one lunch, man. If you can buy off season, I'm telling you, N7 hoodie right here, $30. Lightweight hoodie, $25 for this one. This is not one of the super thick ones. Dang, my kid's big enough now. I think he's gonna start taking my hoodies and stuff. Dang it, $25 for this one. I think I need to double up on hoodies because he's gonna take some. I just realized that because they don't have any of like the super thick ones here. Prices are really good on all these. They don't have like super thick ones like a couple of the ones I have. $50 for this one. This one's pretty thick. The ThermaFit, see what these are going for, $60. I really like the quality, the material on these. Yeah, I really like them. 60 bucks. The baggy look definitely coming back with the skateboard community. I think these are SB, right? Are these SB? Maybe not, but cargo pants right here. Yeah, SB. Cargo pants right here, $40 for those. Tech Fleece pants, $60 for these bad boys. And with the Tech Fleece, with the ThermaFit, they do have sizes. These are large right here. XL. They got plenty of stuff, man. Got plenty of stuff. This is one of the thicker sweats right here in a gray. How much this go for? 50 bucks. Thicker ones are definitely a lot more expensive. All right, we can move on to the shorts since it is the summer. Do got these like khakis or something. Do got some khakis. These are down to 30 bucks. They were cargo maybe. Got running shorts right here. I was like, what is this for? Material is definitely interesting, but yeah, this definitely for running. These are down 100 bucks normally, down to freaking $40. Oh, it's that ThermaFit stuff. That's what it is. Super premium, but premium price tag too. 40 is not that bad, I guess. And they got red sweats right here. These are tearaway ones. If you need to get down real quick, $30 for those bad boys. If they weren't red, maybe. Did focus a little bit more on the winter gear than summer gear because that's what's on sale. And that's what we focus on this channel. Focus on stuff on sale. Got a bunch of shirts. Need some super bright LA shirts and stuff like that. $13. And they got racks and racks of shirts for $13. Got another one right here. JDI shirts, just not too much. That's super interesting. Nike shirts, Box logo shirts, just nothing too crazy. And I did search for backpacks. I don't want to have to look for backpacks right when school starts because everything's going to be full price, but I haven't been finding those backpacks that I like. So shoot, am I gonna have to pay full price? The backpacks I like are the one that my kid likes, the RPM backpacks. They're like 90 bucks, 90, 100 bucks, something like that. I saw these right here. This is like the biggest wristlet ever, and this collection just came out. But it's just weird. It's just weird because you're gonna use this as a wristlet. This is just way too big, so that's why it didn't sell. It's already on clearance, $15 from $45. This is just too big for women, like for a wristlet. And if it gets like this size, you need like a strap so you can put it around your shoulder and stuff, right? I don't know, kind of weird. But yeah, speaking about backpacks, this is the only backpack they got. It's like a budget backpack. Not something that I need. 42 down to 15. All right, not the longest video, but we're gonna be here. We're gonna be back here again soon enough because I've been looking for stuff. Let me go pay for this. and get the hell out of here. All right, 25 bucks. Not the greatest deal, but sometimes it's not about the cheapest stuff. It's about, finding quality at decent price. That's what we do with this channel. Make sure you guys go ahead, press that like button. If you're new, subscribe and stay tuned. Got plenty more videos coming. I'm gonna hit up Nike Outlet Torrance in a bit. We going to other spots. Let's go. And it is Father's Day, but this is what my kiddo wanted to do. He wanted to come here. MB2? This fool's addicted to this, man. This fool's addicted. About to get going. It's packed, man. It's like 1 o'clock and it's already packed as hell here. All getting started. Ev, fastest time in passing. Passing too. That's what he's gonna be working on this one. Let's get going. These fools did wrap up. They did wrap up right there. That's a solid time, fool.
And especially like I don't know why over there I barely pressed the brake pedal and I almost spun.
Yeah, I saw at the end, right?
Yeah, I just barely tapped it.
Yeah, I saw at the very end. But I think that's gonna be the fastest time of the day.
Yep.
I think that'll be the fastest time of the day. Fool. Not bad.